morning, Indira Shah here. Today, let me teach you the basic how to grow a plant, a sapling, and what are the measurements you need, like the soil, the cocoa peat, the manure, whatever it is. Okay, how to do it. So this is the very basic. The newcomers and the beginners will certainly not know it. Here I have made sapling of zinnia. You can see I always put a this thing. Of course, once the leaves comes, we can always know, but you can put a this thing like this, and this is zinnia has sprouted. This is from the seed. Okay, so now what you need is red soil. Here, soil from your garden, and this is the compost that is made by me. You can refer my previous video in the name of Indira Shah for compost. Okay, and this is the cocoa peat. Okay, see, cocoa peat will not help in the growth of the plant, but it will help in retaining the moisture and will keep the soil loose. Okay, so what you should do is, see, and you need a container like this with a nice drainage hole. First, let me mix the soil and the manure. See, you need 1 part of manure and 1 part of one part of cocoa peat, and then 2 part of soil. Here, this is the 2 part of soil. Now you have to mix it well and keep it ready. Please make your own manure at home, own compost at home. It's very easy. It doesn't need any it's not time consuming, I mean to say. Okay, once all these things are ready, now see, you need some pot pieces like this, because you have to cover the drainage hole. Here, cover it like this. Don't cover it completely. Okay, just cover it so that the water doesn't get drained. You can also use this. See, I am going to keep this. You can also use this to cover the drainage hole. Now what you do is, here, take the mixture and add it slowly. Okay, if there are any, see, this is a stone, do not add that, throw it. Here, okay, now this should be 3/4, and once you start watering, it will start going down. Then every 15 days you add compost, homemade compost or vermicompost, or make your own NPK. I'm coming up with another video how to make organic NPK. Okay, so watch my video, and you can also add plant enhancer. I have already shown a video of how to make a plant enhancer. Plant enhancer you can add every week, 1/4 spoon for a small plant. If it is a big plant, then you need at least 1/2 spoon to 1 spoon. Okay, so now you have to separate the big one. See, this is the big one. Let me just separate it. Here, I have separated it. Now let me take it out. Now make a hole here, and then just tighten here, tighten like this. Okay, now you can also add some more manure, little more manure, because they are still small, they need good nutrition. Okay, so now you have to water slowly. Whatever the vegetable, after I wash the vegetable or dal or rice, I keep that water. I use that water for these plants because they get extra nutrition. Okay, so you have now you can keep them in direct sunlight because there are already 6 leaves. Okay, when they get 6 leaves, then you have to expose them to direct sunlight. They have to get sunlight for their growth. They love. And zinnia, please grow zinnia because butterflies and bees just love them. And I love growing zinnias. This is a good flower for pollinators, to invite pollinators. So thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and share it with your friends and relatives. And please watch my other videos related to gardening. Okay, I'm coming up with more videos. So thank you very much. Bye bye.